Hello everyone, I'm making this video on Husqvarna chainsaw I recently purchased. Bought it spare repair. It's a Husqvarna 650, same as L65L. It was another one 77L, as the name tells you. This is 65 cc's, 77 was 77 cc's. I bought this chainsaw not running, and it had a couple of faults. One of them being the flywheel. Someone had a brilliant idea to, I'll show you the other, the donor saw that I had. So someone had the brilliant idea to stick a screwdriver here, yeah, and this is the flywheel that came off the fixed Husqvarna. Both of them are the same, so this one is okay as well. It has spark, it has compression, carb is okay, but I had to take the flywheel to fix this one, just because it looks like in a better shape. But look how smart people are. So, you know, look, they stuck a screwdriver when the chainsaw was running, and it stripped all the fins of the flywheel, absolutely all of them. I found them inside, scattered all over the place on this one. I have this one, and I have a 77 as well. Look, in waiting to be repaired. It will be, yeah, no problem. I'll have it done. But yeah, this one is very nice chainsaw. It's the last of L65 line, because it has the chain brake, 18-inch bar and chain. Chain is not sharpened. I'll sharpen it now. I'm planning to do a video of this chainsaw cutting in following days. I just finished repairing it. That's the plate, and you can, I don't know if you can see, it says 650 something. Yeah, so it's a 650. It's not an L65. This is an L65. Look here. Yeah, but the same design. This one didn't have initially the chain brake. It just had a knuckle protector, metal one. Yeah, so this is very nice chainsaw. Loads of compression, 48 millimeter piston, dismantled completely. Looked inside, is no scoring, nothing, no damage, good compression. I'll switch over. I'll show you. I'll start it for a brief second just to see how nicely. It's very nice and quiet. The muffler is very nice and quiet, and is not restricted in the same time. So very nice design. They have these big chamber mufflers, so although it's quiet, it's not restricted. Very nice chainsaw. I always wanted to have one in this condition, which I think this most probably is 1974, 76. I don't want to be I might be wrong, but thereabouts. So plenty of time. It has this original inside dog spike. All in all, good chainsaw. Chain brake is absolutely strong, is running, is functioning correctly, no problem. I will show you the chainsaw running now, just to have an idea. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, I hope she cuts as well as she sounds. And yes, it does smoke a little bit now, because obviously it's filled with oil. By the way, I'm using this oil for a mix, so I'm pleased with. I think it's one of the best in my opinion. It has extremely low flushing point. I think it's 72 degrees flushing point, and flowing minus 48. So judging by the data sheet, is better than many other two-stroke oils than that they are double in the price. Definitely better than well-known Bel-Ray. So this is much better, and much is maybe half the price. But in this, judging again by the data sheet, this is better. It will burn cleaner, and well, if someone knows how to do oils, it's Shell, because they start from extracting it to, you know, to final product. Anyway, that's the video for today. Thank you very much. I hope you all stay strong and good and wealthy. Thank you very much. Take care.